The NDA government continues to face the backlash of the railway fare hike. Remember, this is not only the opposition parties, even its own allies, and now state units are voicing the objection to this move. The Maharashtra BJP is demanding an immediate rollback, but will the Modi government reconsider this decision?
They faced protests from the opposition over the steep rail fare hike. And now the NDA government is facing opposition from within. Maharashtra BJP asking the Home Minister to reconsider decision.
क्या है कि 115 रुपए का मंथली पास 330 रुपया बढ़ना, ये मुंबई के रोज जो मजदूरी करने वाला, काम करने वाला मुंबई का व्यक्ति है, उसके लिए काफ़ी भारी हो रहा है कि ये जो बढ़ोतरी है उस पर आप कुछ रोक लिया जाए, उस पर फेर विचार किया जाए.
Even its oldest ally Shiv Sena voicing dissent, demanding an immediate rollback or reduction in the fare hike.
ही भाडेवाढ मला असं वाटतं धक्कादायक आहे. मुंबईचे सर्व खासदार त्यांच्यासोबत पाहिजे ठाण्याचे पण खासदार जातील आणि रेल्वे मंत्री पंतप्रधान यांची भेट घेतील आणि मला खात्री आहे की यातनं जनतेच्या हिताचा निर्णय सरकार घेईल.
Down south too, BJP allies asking for a rethink on the decision to hike fare and freight charges. But Finance Minister defending the move, terming the decision difficult but a correct one. Even the railways calling the hike inevitable.
When it has happened for so long and you cannot sustain it anymore, then what do? So you got to come back and say, have some kind of fair revision.
But the argument cutting no ice with the opposition.
They've promised that they'll reduce the fares, forget about hiking the fares, and they've given such a big shock to the people of this country by jacking up prices to 14%, which has never happened. Itself goes to show they're going back on every word they'd promised.
Former railway minister even hitting out at the Modi government for passing the buck.
Telling that the previous government has done, so we are implementing. This is not good.
They find themselves cornered over their decision of hiking rail fare. With allies and state units now mounting pressure, will the government roll back the 14.2% hike? Bureau Report, Times Now.